55 volunteers left from Schuylkill County tonight to help out those in need after Hurricane Helene. A community effort in Pottsville brought all these volunteers together, helped raise more than $100,000 and fill several truckloads with supply donations. Now it's all on its way to those who need it. These volunteers will be working with an organization based in Asheville, North Carolina, to serve 12,000 meals and give out truckloads of donated goods collected in Pottsville.
We're going to be making these meals, taking them to communities, feeding people in the community that we're going to be at, and then we're going to be giving these donations all throughout the Asheville and Black Mountain region. We have multiple communities that we're going to be delivering food, donations, and just lending a hand wherever possible.
The volunteers expect to arrive in Asheville, North Carolina around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning.